Ella snored.
Ella, it's time to go to school. Ella, are you awake yet? Ella, wake up quickly. Otherwise, you will be late for class.
Mom, I'm so sleepy. I want to stay home today. Mom, please let me skip school today.
No way, Ella. I do not allow. You are a student. You need to go to school. Hurry up! You still have to go down for breakfast. Hurry up and change your clothes.
Yes, Mom.
Ella, why don't you have breakfast? Are you sleeping again?
Mom, I'm not hungry. I'm just sleepy.
You must have breakfast. Otherwise, you will be hungry in the morning.
Yes, Mom.
Ella, we arrive at school. Ella, are you sleeping again? Ella, wake up! You must go to class.
Yes, Mom.
Today, we will learn math. What is 10 plus 5? I heard snoring. Who's snoring?
Teacher Ken, it's Ella snoring. She is dozing.
What? Ella, let's wake up.
Teacher, I'm sleepy.
Why are you sleeping in class?
Please let me sleep a little more.
Please do your exercises. Ella, you come into the teacher's room with me. Ella, please be honest with me. Am I boring to teach?
No, it is not. You teach very well.
So why do you snore during class?
I'm so sleepy. I want to sleep.
Ella, you have lunch hour to sleep. And now it's class time. You need to study.
I get it, but...
Ella, wake up quickly.
Ken, you should be patient with students.
I get it. But it's unclear why she was sleepy today.
Hello?
Hello, I'm Ken, Ella's teacher.
Hello, Mr. Ken.
I'm calling to ask you about Ella.
What's wrong with Ella?
All morning, Ella fell asleep. She even snores in class.
Really? Why is she like that?
Mrs. Evie, did Ella sleep very late yesterday? You should tell the truth.
Yesterday I went to a party with my colleagues. I told Ella to go to bed early. When I got home, Ella was asleep.
What time did you get home?
1 a.m.
Oh my God! If so, maybe Ella would have stayed up until 12 a.m.
I'm sorry.
Mrs. Evie, you shouldn't leave Ella home alone. That wouldn't be okay.
I get it.
Thank you for the information. Ella, you can sleep.
Really?
In return, when you wake up, you must promise not to fall asleep again.
I promise. Thank you, teacher. Mom, I don't have to study anything today. Teacher let me sleep all day.
Ella, next time you have to sleep early.
I get it. But tonight I can't sleep early.
Why?
There is a test tomorrow. I haven't studied anything today. I sleep all day.
Teacher, Ella is snoring again. She is dozing.
Ella, are you sleeping again today?
Teacher, I didn't sleep early last night. I stayed up to study for today's test.
Oh no!
If you like my channel, you can subscribe to watch more videos about my stories. Thank you very much.